Have you ever felt like breaking into YouTube is harder than it should be? No camera, no expensive gear, and no idea where to start? You're not alone. Craig was there too. But today, everything changes. In this video, you'll learn how to create a full faceless YouTube video and 5 viral-ready shorts in less than an hour. The best part? The tools you'll use do most of the heavy lifting for you. This system is from Toolkit 6, the 13-tool creator stack, and it's completely beginner-friendly. Whether you're camera-shy, strapped for time, or just starting to explore YouTube, this method will help you get confident, creative, and profitable. No camera, no mic, no complicated editing software. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan and the exact tools you need to get started. And if you follow along, everything you need is available in the free Toolkit 6 link at the bottom of this video. Before we dive into the how, let's start with the why. Why should you even consider faceless videos right now? Here's the reality. 2025 is the best time to start a faceless YouTube channel. Short-form video is exploding, AI tools are making content creation more accessible than ever, and YouTube is actively rewarding new creators through shorts traffic and algorithm boosts. When Craig started his first channel, he didn't have a stack like this. He wasted months trying to figure it out on his own. But once he discovered the faceless method, everything changed. He grew his channel to 10,000 subscribers in under 6 months, and the videos he created are still earning today. Faceless videos gave Craig freedom. He didn't need to worry about looking camera ready or investing in equipment. He could focus on creating value and consistency instead. And the impact was huge. He started monetizing his channel quickly, even as someone who didn't have a massive following. The best part? You don't need to reinvent the wheel. With the right tools, you can skip the trial and error phase, bypass all the overwhelm, and start seeing results faster than Craig did. Faceless videos allow you to share your knowledge without being on camera. That means more reach, more confidence, and more time back in your day. Now, let's talk about the tools. These 3 tools from Toolkit 6 completely changed how Craig approaches content creation. Together, they make creating faceless videos fast, easy, and fun. 1. Pictory script to video automation. Turn your written script into dynamic video content using stock clips, transitions, and captions. Beginner-friendly timeline. Editor. No editing skills needed, just drag and drop. Templates for every niche. Perfect for explainer videos, tutorials, and review channels. Maggie W. from Austin shares. Pictory helped me launch a faceless channel in no time. My first video got over 3,000 views without needing a camera or editing skills. 2. ElevenLabs. Human-sounding AI voices, voiceovers that sound natural, not robotic. Tone plus style. Customization, choose voice, pace, tone, and even language. No mic required, just type your script and download the result. James T. from Chicago says, ElevenLabs made my videos sound like they came from a professional studio. I get compliments weekly. 3. Klap automatic highlight. Detection, find the best moments and turn them into shorts. Captions plus visual effects, add attention-grabbing text and overlays. Repurpose. 1 video into 5 shorts. More content, less time. Sophie R. from Seattle says, one of my klap shorts hit 5,000 views in a week and doubled my traffic overnight. Here's how you can build your first faceless YouTube video in just 1 hour. Write or repurpose a script. Quick tip list or blog post. Keep it punchy. Create the video in Pictory. Drop in your script. Customize with branding and visuals. Voiceover with ElevenLabs. Paste your script. Select a voice. Done in minutes. Sync the audio in Pictory. Align visuals with your new voiceover. Repurpose with klap. Upload your video. Get 5 viral shorts, ready to post. Bonus, stick to this once a week and you'll have a steady stream of YouTube plus short-form content. If you're ready to create high-quality content fast, this is your moment to act. Download Toolkit 6 using the link below. Inside, you'll find all 3 tools, plus scripts, templates, and bonus guides to help you move fast. Which tool are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. Next up, we'll show you how to turn one video into 20+ content pieces automatically.